Alright guys, welcome back to the video. My name is Nick, and today we're going to talk about credit repair. Does it really work? What is credit repair? Does that even exist? So let's get right into it, man. Not waste any time. Let's go ahead and make myself a little smaller over here. Alright, so does credit repair work? Yes, it does, but there's some things you need to know that no one tells you. So as a former credit repair specialist, I always got the question, does this really work? And the answer is yes, it does work. I've been doing it for the last 5 years, and I've seen some of the most ridiculous reports you can ever imagine, and we've been able to fix those rather easily. I mean, it's really just a dispute at the end of the day. So anything negative can be removed from your credit report. That's collections, charge-offs, late payments, inquiries, medical bills, student loans, evictions, bankruptcies, repossessions, etc. Anything can be removed. All right, so let's see. So how? You're probably wondering how. Well, how can it be removed? So using federal laws put in place to protect consumers, specifically the FCRA, which is the Fair Credit Reporting Act. You can go ahead and look that up right now in Google. Pull up another slide, another tab, and type in FCRA. You can look and see for yourself. So the credit bureaus are Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. They are not federal institutions. They have bureau at the end to scare you. They're not federal institutions. These are like regular companies. These are like mom and pop shops that sell your data. Literally. There's nothing special about them. So don't be scared. Don't be fooled, guys. They're, like I just said, regular data collection companies, and they often misuse and report erroneous items to your consumer credit reports. So when you dispute with the CRA, we're going to call the credit reporting agency the CRA from here on out, they have 30 days to investigate and verify your claim and make changes. If their investigation concludes it is yours, they keep it on the report and they keep reporting it. The only true and solid way to verify whether an account is yours is by having a wet ink signature. This is something nobody ever tells you. Is by having a wet ink signature related to the account. So 99.99% of the time this does not exist, which means every single item can and should be removed from your credit report at your request. So what do I mean by a wet ink signature? So let's say you signed up for a credit card. You essentially signed a contract. Now in today's day and age, you did it online. So did you actually sign something? No. So whose fault is that? That's not yours. That's not your fault. That's the bank's fault. You know what I'm saying? They lended you that credit, but they did not get the proper contract, the proper wet ink signature. They didn't get anything solid. They didn't get no solid proof that it is you who is doing it. All they have is a name, a number, a social security number, but who's to say it was you or, Johnny the scammer or whoever, whatever the case is. There's nothing. They have nothing on you guys. Really, man. Really. Once you realize that they have nothing, they don't have no real evidence against you, these negative items are going to be falling off like crazy, like easy, man. This is easy stuff. So let's look at this chart over here. The FCRA, United States federal law, governs collection, usage, and sharing of consumer credit reports by credit reporting bureaus and agencies, ensures accuracy, privacy, and transparency of personal data and other sensitive information collected by credit reporting bureaus and agencies. The Fair Credit Reporting Act protects against unfair use and reporting of your credit-related information. And if they don't have any evidence, it is unfair use of your credit. They can't prove it is yours. Let's go ahead and move on. So here are a few key laws to review on the FCRA. It's a large, there's a bunch of laws in the United States. So you can simply start off by Googling 15 USC 1681 and do your own research. This is not one that is more important than the other. You're the only person who knows what happened. You're the only person who knows how you were violated. I cannot tell you how you were violated. I can just show you the methods in which you can discover how to remedy that violation. So You can also get the cheat sheet that I have on in the link in the description box below, and it goes more in depth on some of these laws here. But as you can see, we're going through all the FCRA 603, 604, 605, 605A, B, you know, all the way up to 629. And these are all very important. You know, take time out of your day, read one a day. You know what I'm saying? Read two a day. You know, just break it down. It's not that hard. It's very easy, simple to understand. Let's go ahead and move on. So, simple dispute process. Simple. This is the dispute process. This is the process that credit repair companies use. This is the process that I have used. This is the process that everybody uses to get things removed from their credit. So first, you're going to identify the negative items. So you got a collection, you got a charge off, you got a late payment, you got an eviction, whatever it is, identify that account. Single that account out, you know, highlight it, whatever you got to do. Then you're going to write a letter explaining the laws being violated and negative items to be removed. So you're going to find those laws from the previous slide, or if you get the cheat sheet that I have for sale, you'll pick out which laws you're being violated by, and then you're going to put that into a letter. Simple letter. It don't have to be anything crazy, guys. It's literally, you can write one sentence, two sentence, three sentence, one little paragraph, whatever the case is, to make it clear that, hey, I know you're violating me. This is how you're violating me. This is what the law says, federal law, you know what I'm saying? I need it removed immediately. You know what I'm saying? I'm not asking, I'm telling you. You know what I'm saying? Take your power back, guys. Tell them what you want. Do not ask, tell them what you want. So you can also use templates that I have as well, and make sure you just customize them to your own unique things, your own unique accounts, your name, you know, etc. You change the font, whatever you want to do, and you can see that in the description box below. So then step 3, you're going to mail certified to the 3 credit bureaus. So each credit bureau is going to get a copy of this dispute, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. All 3 of them. Send it off certified each. Make sure you keep that little green receipt just in case you want to ever sue them. It's going to be easy to sue them once you have this evidence. Step 4, you're going to wait 30 to 45 days for their response. So by law, they have 30 days to respond. You know, with the mail, transit, XYZ, we'll give them 30 to 45 days. After the 30 to 45 day mark, these items should be removed. If not, you follow up and you hit them again. And you will do this repeatedly every 30 to 45 days until your items are removed. So just repeat the process depending on the result. I've literally had several cases of me sending the exact same letter one month and they didn't do anything, and then I sent it again the next month and they removed it. I mean, you know, it's sometimes you just got to keep punching until, you know, they fall. You know what I mean? And you could do this yourself, or you can pay a credit repair company between $500 and $1,000 to do the exact same thing. And I've included some of the addresses, important addresses that you need here. So go ahead, take a screenshot, whatever you want to do. At the time of this is August 2022. So just, you know, whenever you're watching this, just make sure, double check that the addresses are still the same, because sometimes they do change them. And that's the end of the video, guys. Quick and simple. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed that, please hit the like button so this can get out to more people. Tap the subscribe button. Help us with our current goal of 1,000 subscribers. Hopefully, by the time you're watching this, we have already surpassed 1,000 and we're at 10,000, 100,000, maybe even 1 million. It just depends when you're watching this. If you have any questions, you can always email me directly at info@tycoontalk.xyz, or you can leave a comment in the comment section below. And then let me know any topics you want me to cover or go more in depth about in the comment section below as well. We're gonna I lost my train of thought. We go in the comments and we get those topics and we make videos based on what you guys tell us that you need help with. And then the link in the description to purchase the credit repair products, and we'll go over here to the store. So we got the FCRA cheat sheet that I was referring to, charge off template, inquiry removal template. You know, I got some crypto items in here and a bundle deal as well. So go ahead and check that out, guys. And if you like this video, check out my other videos where I talk about making money with cryptocurrency. This is hot, man. It's a bear market right now, but this is the time to get in. I also talk about consciousness and much more. And as always, guys, may infinite abundance flow to you now and forever, my friends. Thank you again, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace.